All right, fun new tool of the day. You know, carts like this are great, but I've got this tough built stack system here, and it's got the 3 drawers, and I've got the one big drawer. I've got those little suitcase one down there. I need to get another one of the drawers and put it under there. But I use this thing all the time around the shop studio area because you can just roll it anywhere. It's on. I've got it on. Instead of the 2-wheel system, I've got the 4-wheel casters. It'll roll anywhere. It's super easy. It's just the right workbench height. It's got this nice little wood top on it. Lets you do all sorts of stuff. But then we've recently added that. And I just love it. Now, this comes from a company in Idaho. It's made in the USA. Looks like they're taking bamboo, which is not made in the USA, I'm guessing. But they've laser etched their logo in here, some measurements, some conversion amounts. And then when you buy the kit, you get that. You get 2 of these brackets here, and you get this adapter plate. Now, this adapter plate here is 3D printed, and I dig that. I really dig, because they're probably not doing enough volume to justify injection molding. The molds for that would cost tens of twenties of thousands of dollars. It's just ridiculous. So they built this system here. It's got this bolt up top. I'm not sure exactly what the bolt does, maybe stability, strength, something inside. There's a set screw in the bottom to keep it in place once you get it where you want. It is some assembly required. You put, actually the best is you get this, it's 3 wood screws go in here, clamp it to that, put both brackets on, put this where you want it, get it on there, then set the set screw, and you're done. And as I said, it is, super easy to wheel around, and I went for more than just one. We got 2 of them. So now you can spread out your tools. You got more room to work on stuff. We'll talk more about him later. But this is without a doubt my favorite new accessory add-on for the shop. It just changes the game about everything. All right, so here's the setup we have. I got 2 of the ones here on the left. They're $55 each. It's not cheap, but for what you get here, it's a pretty good, decent deal. I mean, it's made in the USA. It's made by a couple guys out of Idaho. Now, we're going to give some grace for being from Idaho. Not everyone can be from Montana. Anyway, it's a great product, made in the USA. And, I love the whole, using 3D printers to create, custom parts for small scale stuff like this. I love everything about this. And the use of the unit now is just awesome. I also love that they do it with trays as well. So if you're like parts and whatnot, you can get one tray on one side or tray on both sides, mix match however you like. If you're not in Stack Tech, you're in the Milwaukee system, they have something like that. They also have it for the Flex system as well. As I said, they're based in Idaho. I'll put links to everything down below. I'm not affiliated with them. I've never spoken with them. I got the wild hair that I wanted to get this for my system. I'd seen stuff like this somewhere, and I just ordered it online. I did on the box they sent me. There's the Dirt Church logo, and it says, I watch your YouTube channel, great tool content. Gotta like that. Also gotta like the fact they're using inside out express boxes. That's pretty smart. I like the reuse concept there. And I love, if you've been around the channel, I love small businesses and love to support them as much as I can. This is a great product. We use this stuff around here all the time, or the little pedestal thing, we use it all the time. Now with the fold out wings and stuff, oh, it's great. Now, I will not say it's perfect. I did get a splinter in my pinky. It's terrible. The bamboo finish on it is not as good as the factory finish. I'm probably going to give it a light sanding, put a little clear coat over it, see if we can seal it. I don't know. If you guys know bamboo stuff better than I do, maybe there's a better option for it. I will be honest, I am not a bamboo finishing expert. So if someone's out there wants to educate it, put it down in the comments. I'll pin it or something so everyone else can see. That said, just fabulous product. I mean, if you use these boxes, especially the Stack Tech stuff, and I know people are going, what's going on with Stack Tech? That's a whole nother issue. They're trying to make a comeback. Lowe's screwed them over. I still think it's the best, pro level toolbox out there. Just the company's struggling because of Lowe's did them dirty. But anyway, you choose your system for the reasons you want to choose them for. I'm not your daddy. But if you're in any of these 3 systems, Or maybe you're in a different system. Maybe we should try to come out with one for the T-Stack. That would be pretty cool. Maybe if I can work something out, I'll send them the STL files and they can offer that as well. That might be a fun little endeavor. Anyway, Dirt Church, great product. Check them out. Links down below. If you like what we do here, go ahead and chomp the old like button, smash the subscribe, ring the bell on the way out. You all take care. God bless. And as always, shine on.